Today we're gonna clean a disgusting microwave. I just have some Dawn dish soap and warm water on here just to cut the grease. And get rid of any gunk that's stuck on because it's very dirty. Now we have to break this down. Look at it. Just gonna soak it for a little bit. Ooh, yeah. Because we need this plate to do our hack with the vinegar to soften all that gunk. This is just Dawn dish soap in hot water. Okay, so this is nice and clean. I scrubbed it. I let it soak and then I scrubbed it. Now we're gonna put it back in that dirty microwave because we're going to use some vinegar to soften the crud inside of it. So I'll show you how to do that. So we need a cup of water and 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar. You can just eyeball it. Don't worry too much about it, but that's ballpark the ratio that you need. Now we're gonna microwave this for 5 minutes, and like the whole entire concept here is this is going to get nice and hot and steam and really work to soften all of this disgusting food stuck on here, and we'll be able to wipe it off like butter. Let's see. Okay, so we've steamed it. You can kind of see like the water is on here. Now I need to wipe. Hold on, let me get this out of here. Be careful when you take this out because it's gonna be hot, and make sure you use a microwave safe dish. So I'm taking this out. The glass is hot. Be careful. That's why I washed it in the first place. We're just going to start wiping over here. I almost could run it a little bit longer. If it's really badly baked on, you can run it longer if you want with the vinegar in it. I just want to see how it does with the standard instructions that we use in my book. Now I'm just going to try and use a scrub daddy, get anything that's kind of stuck on. Also, the beauty of the vinegar is that it also deodorizes the microwave if you have like gross, you know how microwaves can get really stinky and smell like food. So I just have like a cloth with some dish soap and warm water on it to just get, because there's a lot of like grease splatter buildup in here. I need something to cut it. I'm just gonna rinse it now with some warm water on a cloth, like there's nothing on here, just to give it a little rinse out so we don't have any residue left over, but it is sparkling clean. And then just put it back, be careful. Brand new. One final step, if you want to, is to use some Wyman stainless steel cleaner. This is almost like, I don't like to call it a cleaner because it's almost a polish, and it just conditions the steel so it looks brand new again. Makes it nice and shiny. Try not to get it on like the plastic or the glass of the door. Oh, I Windexed this door. Look how good that turned out. It looks brand new. So it's super easy to do, and it's not very heavy lift for you to clean it because the microwave and the steam and the vinegar does most of it for you. So thanks for watching.